they speak about the Manipura chakra being the lower mind. And like lower mind, higher mind. We don't have enough words for mind in English. That's what it is. It's like, this is just mind. But we should have different words. So that's why I distinguish between the mental sphere of mind and the individual mind. I think it's probably a better way of that. Our individual mind is within a greater mind. And that greater mind that we're in is a universal mind. And it's a universal field of thought. And our personal mind is like a little vessel, a raindrop within the ocean of that small mind, experiencing our little crispy little bits of thoughts as they flow through us rhythmically. Thoughts move in rhythm. This is another thing to understand. You can use the rhythm of your thoughts to go into a trance. In fact, that's what dhyana is. So the rhythm of your thoughts are moving in a state of rhythm. And because thoughts are moving in a state of rhythm, there's a cause and effect that bounces off the thoughts. Because the thoughts trigger responses in our emotional body, which we then feel, which becomes a passion or a desire. Passion being strength that we can tap from, desire being an extension that we must move towards. There's the polarity of the heart being expressed. So when we speak about the polarity of the heart and the polarity of the mind, the heart, everything's inverted. Between the etheric and the astral, there's an inversion that happens. So the astral is thus brought into our hearts, and the lower etheric we experience as our minds. And the reason for this is quite interesting. It's once again what we're talking about, this connection with the principle of rhythm, with the principle of vibration. And the rhythm of our thoughts is what circulates through our head, one after another, and they move in their particular timing. And the rhythm of your thoughts becomes the algorithms of your brain. So is your brain vibrating, resonating with an algorithm of 15 hertz? Then that's got to do with the rhythm of your thoughts. If you're angry or upset, you'll be resonating with 30 hertz, 25 hertz, 28 hertz, 30, 35 hertz. You're freaking out. You're having like a nervous breakdown. 40 hertz, you're basically a danger to society. 45 hertz, 50 hertz, they should put you in a padded cell. Because you're going to hurt someone. If not yourself, you're going to definitely hurt someone. So this frequency of rhythm dictates the resonance of our thoughts, which has got to do with the arcing of the way it was so beautifully put out. I think it was you that mentioned it earlier, Jeremy, that when you're thinking, it's like the thought comes from two places. It's like an arc. It's like a current arcing, like this. Zoom. And that little baby thought that we experience is that little arcing between these two things. And so these thoughts are going like rhythmic, ding, 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 ding. When you're in a deep meditative state, your algorithms can go till 8, 7. If they go beneath 7, you're going into alpha consciousness. If they go from 7 to 6 to 4, you're out of your body. You're flying. So the whole point of the drum, why do shamans play the drum? The point is to slow down the algorithms of our thoughts so that those neuro algorithms can go from 12 hertz, 10 hertz, 8 hertz, 7 hertz, 6 hertz, 5 hertz, 4 hertz, and look, I'm out of my body. That's the whole purpose of shamanism. So the only reason for the drum is to slow down your algorithms of your thoughts. And rhythm is how that's achieved, because rhythm represents your thoughts. So this connection with the Manipura as being what is called the lower mind in those badly translated books by people translating Vedic stories. And unfortunately, it's like a pattern. Sorry. But you just got to, instead of thinking lower mind, think of individual mind that is within a greater mind. Then it's like a drop of water in the ocean. It's a better metaphor, I think, for understanding the principle of mind. So it's all inverted. So what we feel in our heart is actually the sphere of the astral sphere, which encompasses that.